Karidprophet, Karidprophet,
Morning, star.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm cool. So who is in charge of this place?
So I'm in charge.
Eh?
So I'm in charge, sir.
This car is nice.
Yes, we have luxurious cars here. So let me show you around.
I want to talk to the manager. Actually, the manager of this place. The manager.
So I can actually handle it. I can handle it.
Go and get me the manager. You understand? I don't tell you now, chief like me, I don't talk to women. Eh? Go and get me the manager. No. I don't have time. This car. I need to see that car.
Yes.
It's very nice.
Yes, what you do? Hi, welcome, sir.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Welcome. Thank you, sir. I'm fine, sir. Very well, sir. Thank you.
Are you the manager of this place?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm the manager. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Do you know me?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't really know you.
He doesn't know me.
But you look like a personality.
Yeah, listen, I am a chief.
Wow.
Up to B1, no.
Up to be a deal.
On 180.
Thank you, sir.
No, mama. O me pro nyo dira. One, no keep.
Hey.
Okuro carrier. One, isn't it? So I want to buy car. I don't know what kind of car you have.
Okay, sir. We have exotic cars, powerful cars.
Yes, I want cars, exotic cars. Yes.
Okay, good ones. Okay, sir. We have them in Toyota brand.
Okay.
And we have them in Nissan brand.
Okay.
And we have them in Mercedes.
Okay.
Nice, wonderful cars, exotic cars that will suit to your status.
It's all right. I need like 5 cars.
You what?
Yes.
5 cars.
5 cars. It's okay. Show me around. Let me see the cars.
Okay, sir, you can go. Let's go. This direction, sir.
This direction.
Yes.
Yes. This time.
Okay. Mr. Manager.
Yes, sir.
How much is this? How much is this?
This one, this is Toyota. Wonderful Toyota, powerful car.
Okay. How much is it?
That has 10 speedometer. This one is 5 million.
No, this one doesn't fit my status.
So you like it?
No. Okay, sir, we have a bigger one. We have a bigger one. The one of 10 million.
So you like it?
Okay. All right, sir. This one is 15 million, sir. But I can remove 500,000 and give it to you at 14.5.
No.
This is 2024 model.
Sir, there is one special thing about this car.
Yes.
The car has Jangalova inside.
Wow, yes, sir.
It has
double engine.
It has double engine.
And I'm a Jagulova.
Okay, sir, let me show you this one.
A chief like me.
There is a wonderful one that suits your status. That's for 25.5 million.
It's a very nice car. Okay, I go for this one. Hey, it's a very big car.
Yes.
What brand is that?
That one Chevrolet. That one is American Chevrolet.
Oh God, God,
The wonderful
I
one.
love that.
Yes. This one now.
Okay.
It's 55 million. But I can remove the 5 million and give it to you at 50.
Don't remove anything. Imam, you don't know me.
You're a wonderful.
Up to B1. Imam,
Okay,
Imam.
okay, sir. How many are you taking, sir?
Listen, I'm going for this.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Please, go and give. Let's give Chief a seat, please. Sit, Chief, please come. Thank you, sir.
Maybe when you have new stock, I'll come back. I
You're a very wonderful man. Please go and get Chief more.
Okay, sir.
Chilled one.
Yes, sir.
Please. Chief, you're welcome, sir. You're very, very
They
welcome.
know me as a chief up to B1. I want it.
Chief, you're welcome.
I'm a philanthropist. I like helping people. And I'm a hearing them, madam.
I can see, obviously, sir. Obviously, Chief.
Even more time now, you know how just some people. This is my boss.
Okay.
We don't deal with Nigerian currency.
Okay.
And,
Chief, Chief, even we are even importing more cars by next week. I will still contact you, sir.
When you get it, you let me know.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Oh, the month.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
So this is how you people do it.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Thank you, sir.
My papa is a letter customer, so
Yes, sir.
There's
We
no
try
how
our
that a
best.
dignitary like you will come to this place
we try our
and
best.
won't treat you according to your status.
Premier customer.
very important. You know, when you have money, anywhere you come, people will acknowledge you.
Yes.
Yeah, like this, very good. You understand? Yeah. When there is money.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Manager, you said those 2 cars. Like I said, I will need the 2 of them.
Okay.
And I don't know. You got their more receipt. Before them. You people have. Was it? Do you have a cup?
Oh, these people that are not serious.
People that doesn't have money.
Yes,
Then
Chief.
go to the super.
Yes, Chief. Yes,
We
Chief.
buy 5 cars,
Yes,
2
sir.
cars on daily
Yes.
basis.
Sir, we believe you.
So you are the
Sales girl, sir.
You are the sales girl.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will dash you some.
Oh, thank you, sir. God bless you,
you,
sir. I'm grateful, sir.
Manager,
Yes,
thank you, sir.
Unugaga, prepare them the voucher, the
Receipt.
receipt.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So that let's take the cars.
Go and get the invoice, sir.
Okay,
Go and
sir.
get the invoice.
Okay,
Before them, pay them. Just pay them.
Okay, it's okay.
Give them the whole month. India is the money for the car. Give the change. We don't international currency. Hard currency.
Now what's this?
That is
What currency is this?
international currency. You can keep the change. Keep the change. I don't like it.
What currency? What kind of currency is this, Chief?
International currency.
After all this stress,
If you change this money, you will buy all the cars here.
after all this stress, rejecting of course,
I'm buying off moths.
and seeing all these things.
What happened to the money?
Security! Security! Go and call that security. Go and call
Yes. Call the security. I need that
that
security.
security.
So that they will escort me home.
What currency is this? What nonsense currency is this?
Security. Take months. Drink months.
Call the security. Security,
The
come.
security is supposed to be here before now.
Go and call security.
So that they will take us home.
What nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense currency? This currency that they are speaking what I don't know on the note.
Whenever you have, everybody go motor like this.
Yes.
You see the security.
Yes.
You see this
Come and
stupid
take
man
it.
and his whatever. Bundle them out from this car. Bundle them out. Wait, bundle them away.
Carry them out.
Bundle them away.
My work is still. My dollar. My work is still.
Foolish man.
Use that walking. Use that walking stick. What you afraid, idiot?
Now this man no get money. We won't come buy motor, we won't buy like 10 cars. The grace. We won't put pest for problem. Now see they don't check them up. Well.